Introduction. Our hands tirelessly perform diverse daily tasks, from cooking and cleaning to meticulous work and grooming. As a result, they deserve the utmost care and attention. While several commercial hand care products claim to offer miraculous results, one of the best combinations for nurturing your hands is the blend of olive oil and castor oil. In this article, we will explore the benefits of combining these two potent oils and guide you on how to incorporate them into your hand care routine.